Let's learn how you can download Minecraft for free on iOS. So you probably can't do this if you have newer phone because iOS disables that option that you can crack games or whatever. So the only two ways you can do this without paying is first one is jailbreaking your phone, and we won't show that on this tutorial. And the other thing is if you can find some IPA file of Minecraft on browser. So I found something. So you want to go to your browser and just type in Minecraft IPA. So basically IPA is iOS file similar to APK for Android. Now you can visit some site, for example this one, but they are untrustable and I wouldn't consider this safe. So you will, if you download this, I don't know if it will work or not, but you can give it a try. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.